Hey, what's up all? Thanks so much for tuning back in. So today we're going to take a look in the box of the Cuisinart Grill Top Pizza Oven Kit. Now this pizza oven just sits right on top of your current grill. Whether you have propane, pellet, or charcoal, that's going to be your heat source. This goes right on top, gets up to temperature, and you can cook pizzas right in it. So make sure you look for that review and demo coming soon. But right now, let's just go ahead and see what's included inside the box. So first here, always good to have, we're going to use our getting started guide, right? So instructions, so that's always good to have. Now I will say, just by opening this up, it does have a good amount of weight to it, which is really nice, because that means it's going to hold the heat really well. Some styrofoam on the bottom there, I gotta get that out. You don't want to cook with that, obviously. Let's see, what do we got in here? Good amount of weight. So the other thing you're going to want to check is to make sure that obviously it's going to fit on your grill top that you have, but it should be pretty standard size, is that 14 by 16 inches, so giving that should give an idea. So in this box here, what's this one? This probably is the included pizza peel, which is like a giant spatula, so that's pretty cool. A lot of other brands out there do not include the pizza peel. That's totally separate, so it's really nice to get this actually included with it. And you can always use this for other things too. Maybe you're making a really giant burger. So right here is a temperature gauge that's going to go on the top of the oven there. So pretty easy, just easy to install. And there's a little hole right there, so you can see when it's up to temperature, which is really helpful, because you want to make sure you got the right temperature going for when you're making pizzas or whatever you're going to make in there. Talks about aluminum pizza peel also in the box here. So this is the handle for the pizza peel. It's got a little leather loop there on the end, so you can hang it up, which is really cool, so keep that outside. Some of the hardware there. So now, if the grill top version is not something that you're wanting or really been looking for, then we are also going to do another Cuisinart pizza oven, which is a 3-in-1, which allows you to do pizza, grilling. There's a flat top, and it runs just on propane, so you will need a propane source for that, but it's pretty much a standalone grill. So I'm really looking forward to testing that too. But a lot of people already have grills that you could use with something like this, so that is something that I really want to test out and see how well this performs too, because this is a really great option for a lot of people. These look like, how many are there? There's 4 of them, so it's probably feet that are going to go on the bottom, would be my guess. Let's go ahead and take a look. Yeah, that's going to be the feet there on the bottom. And then inside here, now this is going to be the stone inside here, and that's actually got pretty decent weight. When you see the size of the stone, it will give you an idea of how big the pizza will be that you can actually make. You want to be careful with this when we open it so we don't break anything. Right, so there is the stone, so you can get an idea when we put that in there. I'm going to say that's probably a little bit bigger than 12 by 12, so probably like a 12 by 14 maybe ish, or close to it. So you can get a pretty decent sized pizza on there, especially if you're making something that's more artisan. That's what it looks like inside and underneath. So this is going to hold all that heat, and these pizza stones, not only are they food safe, but then also that's going to hold a lot of the heat from your heat source and allow you to cook pizzas and other things at a really hot temperature, so you can cook it super fast. So that's what's in the box of the Cuisinart Grill Top Pizza Oven. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to look for the review and demo when we get this actually going on the grill, and I'll see you in my next video.